Hello future tech leaders, I'm Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
In Journey Builder, in Journey, we are going to create a journey builder. If we create a new journey to create a new journey, then there is 3 steps before going to it. What is Journey Builder? Is it campaign management which has multiple touch point, which has a source and destination? What is the definition here? Journey Builder is a campaign management. Suppose you want to event a seminar. What you want to start a course. What you will do? You will restart promotion and campaign, but whenever you do it, it will be have a multiple touch point. What is a touch point? Example. If you go on the road many times, you will notice after certain interval there is a traffic and it is a signal red, yellow or green. Red means you need to wait. Green means line is clear, you can move. Yellow means you need to wait but you can go, but with care. That's the 3 kind of signal. If there is a, this is you can consider as a touch point which has a source and destination. Suppose you are coming from, Vemol is coming from to India. First, suppose Vemol is want to come to Dubai, to Bangalore, but first it is a no direct flight. Suppose it is a, he is coming from Delhi to again Bangalore. What is another touch point? First come to Delhi, then there is a suppose need to change the flight. There is a layoff, that is I'll wait for hours, then have to catch the flight for another flight or change and next flight to Bangalore. This is it. That kind of things we can design in our journey builder. How you need to wait. First, because you suppose during campaign you have sent a mail some customers based upon some condition they have decided or we need to give them time to take decision. Your customers then and then they will respond. It is not expected. You need to create some touch point, but you can wait. Need to check whether what is the reaction of the customers and according to that you can take the next steps. Journey Builder is a marketing cloud linear campaign planning and execution tool. It's a hot, impulsive and a marketer design and custom automate campaigns that guide customer to a series of interaction with your brand. It is a multiple interaction you can create. Journey Builder is a 3 types. One is a multi-channel, one is a responsive and one is a multi-channel. One is responsive and adaptive. Multi-channel communicates seamlessly across email, SMS, push notification at landing page. Email can be sourced. SMS can be sourced. Push notification ads, landing pages, apps that customers can get the information in the place. Responsive tellers. The customer journey based on the real-time event like purchase, mobile app download, reading an email or close the service. It is continually adjust customer path based on their current predictive behavior. Let us go inside. Create a new journey. I'm creating a new journey. There is 3 pattern. One is a multi-step journey, one is a single send journey, one is a transaction send journey. We need to focus on multi-step journey and single send journey. First is a multi-step journey. Now here it is a multi-step journey. Here there is a start with a source. Always Journey Builder, it should have a source. It should have a source. And then there is a first. We can wait. Next. Then you can. If you notice, here now we are adding a data source. If you notice here, it is a data extension. Then it will be go email. But if there is these are the one kind of traffic touch point. It is called touch point. If it is a here you have sent. Suppose someone has visited your Amazon products and he has not purchased, but your ultimate target is to again unless you will be purchased, you will be followed. Here even then again, wait for the user behavior and then again after one day, again notification. And then again it is an email, then again one day, no, then it is exit. If there is no waiting, then what will happen then? And then I think about if you travel in a road. If there is no traffic signal, you will be not stuck anywhere. But sometimes traffic signal is necessary. Otherwise, to send people's name across the road and for transportation, traffic signal is necessary. Touch point is necessary. Similarly, it will be happen here. Next, again, we go back to definition. What are the main components of first is the activities. What are the activities in the first activities here? These are the activities. The activities. It is the activities that message, email, SMS, WhatsApp. These are the activities, email, SMS, WhatsApp. There are maybe many, but it is a limited, restricted. Email, message, advertising, low control, custom updates, sales and service cloud. These are the activities. These are the service cloud. Not everything is showing because of the restricted environment. Next, email, SMS, WhatsApp and advertising. These are all the advertising. It is a license tool. At the email and we can use the email for SMS to be the key. Also required the license also. Journey settings. What is the journey? Copy, delete, contact, NT, call, email, mobile analytics. What is the journey settings? Code. There is just some NT source. NT source from where data will come. Journey. It will be look at the data first. Is the data extension? It may be cloud phase. Cloud phase, we have already done cloud phase. API event in app message inbound chat, mobile app push messages Salesforce data. These are all source of data. At least 2 or 3 types we can experiment. It is an empty source. Next to different flow control. How many types of flow control? But next is a flow control. Flow control. Flow control. There is a multiple things on the wait by duration, waited by until date, wait by to wait until event, engagement split, decision split. Earlier, we have done something. Anyway, there is a multiple touch point. To create touch point, there is a flow control is required. One is wait by duration. You can change it. You can edit it. And you can wait by minutes, hours, days, weeks, months. This is the, you can change it. Next, you can edit it. Now we can send it first our hello. This is the journey, fastest journey we can send. Before that, we need to familiar something more. Already, we have discussed earlier. Just it is again. We are going to revision what Automation Studio and Journey Builder. Automation Studio is an activity-centric tool which allows marketers to perform a task without any manual intervention or a schedule or trigger base. Journey Builder is a contact-centric tool which allows marketers to execute activities only for eligible contacts. Suppose you want to, in your employee or student data, there is a you want to send a particular. You are doing customized. It's based upon a city. Who are in Bangalore? You want to send them in because you are going to support us. You are going to start, suppose, a campaign for Bangalore city. Then in your database detection, lots of record, but you can generate a customized data which can be the source for campaign in Bangalore where the city location will be Bangalore. It is a journey builder is a contact-centric tool which allow marketers to execute activities only for eligible contact based on their interaction and criteria specified in the journey. Automation Studio support activities like data extraction, file transfer, import, filter, SQL, query verification, etc. They are not there in Journey. But Journey Builder support activities like engagement split. Journey Builder support activities like engagement, split decision, split path optimizer. There are many activities there. If I go there, this is called engagement split. It is a decision split. And the decision split. Suppose what is decision? Decisions, nothing. But suppose you want to, based upon some criteria, you want to pass. Suppose Milan is coming to India from Dubai. If everything directly, he can directly go to home city. But if it is there is some condition, he can choose different path based upon different condition. He can choose the different path. Go to the home city. It is a two-way. Here you can create decision. You can set that some criteria. Here you can set the criteria. If it is based upon that criteria, it will be go according. It will choose the path. In programmatically, It is like a first condition. Yes, we will set the condition, we will go. We will create the condition based upon that condition. It will be the data will be to move accordingly. It is as it is SMC administrator, we will do configuration. We will not do any program. I'm just saying like a programmatic approach. I'm to understand myself like I would not. It's like a false condition that if this, yes, exactly. It is matches if you go this path on. If it is not matches else, it will go to the else block. Same things we're doing here. Next, can you say? Whenever this is a section, we will go in detail. There is a 3, every time data will be empty. There is contact. It will be 3 options. No entry, re-entry anytime. No re-entry, re-entry only after exit. First option, no entry, then re-entry, and re-entry only after exit. What it is? First option is no entry. If once a user enter a journey, that record would not allow the same journey throughout the lifetime. If your record, that's the reason generally, it will be not chosen immediately, it will be rarely. If you want to do, suppose you know data extension, that is a data source, which is a source of your, then if that record, if you use, it will be only one time. If you choose the second part, it will be only one time. It will go. It is a no re-entry second time because it will be. It hold the history that it will be not allowed second time. It will go to the same journey. Next option. Re-entering climb. Entering time. Same user record can enter in journey again in multiple occurrence record can enter any journey, and suppose you are creating a next any version, again that same record can or condition matches it can again entry in the journey. Another re-entry after exiting record will be allowed to re-enter only after exiting. That is a 3 condition. Contact entry. Step selection is mandatory here. It is a mandatory, otherwise journey activate will be not allowed. If you do not select it, journey active will be not activated. Default, your journey setting must have either email, generally it will be at least journey minimum email, or an email or mobile number, or both without email and mobile number system should not allow to run journey. If your data extension or which is the source you are using, if it does not contain email or mobile number, it will not allow for Journey Builder. Already we have discussed all flow control. There are this multiple flow control. It is a decision split. You can based upon decision. It can go for alternate path. There are 2 important things. One is a journey data and one is a journey data and one is a contact data. It is a little bit tricky. What journey data and contact data? What is the journey data? Journey data, it checks the value while data enter in the journey. And it comes from through automation. Journey data comes through automation and contact data. It is a live data. We will be doing again. Earlier we have done one time. Now again we do. A journey always be in the 3 status. One is a running status, one is a stop status, one is a finish, one is a draft. If we go to journey, there is a lot if we go to tools. we go beginning and history. There are lots of journey. Here is a version. It is a if you click here. To go to any journey, old journey I am. Let me check. This is journey. There is a lots of versions are there. Click here. View version dashboard. Here are all version. It will be displayed here. This is a single version. We can generally, it has a 3 category. It's basically half of the categories. First is the running category. The journey can accept new contract. Modifications are not possible. Once it is a start, it is modification not possible. Stop journey in this status cannot accept any record and reject all the contacts if any of the time of stopping the journey. Modifications are not possible. Finishing, if we create the new version when another version of the journey gets activated. Suppose version 1 and I want to create another version without stopping running version. Without stopping running version, the running journey goes to into finishing state. Process at the entered contacts until they exit normally but do not accept any new contact. Modifications are not possible. If anything in between journey any record, it will be complete the journey, but it will be not do any new record accept. Changes can be made and safe to activate the journey later and immediately. It cannot accept new record. Only running journey can accept new record. Let us create part. Journey versions, journey we can. It can create multiple versions. A new draft version enables you to make the changes. There is an exiting running version. You cannot make changes running. In the journey we can. It will be easy to create the suppose you have done. You have done one journey campaign and next month you want to do another same thing. What you will do? But you want to old journey setup configuration, but this next month some small modifications required. You create a new next version and it will be next version will be executed. That is it. Next version will be executed. Whenever a new version created, always in this draft status, only one version of journey can be running status at any given point of time. Only one draft version journey exists at a time. If it is any journey stopped, you cannot reactivate contact that previously exited. The journey cannot be admitted into the new version. When delete in an active version, its goal and performance data is permanently removed. We will go. Let's say what is the goal, what is the performance data. Always active the new version of the journey without stopping current running version records in the journey. Let us start one first journey build up program. Now go to here. Let us create it. Everybody, this is the area we are creating a fresh journey. Now go to here. We can create a contact data extension. We are creating a phase here. Let's go to here. Now go to detections. Jaiwala, are you following? Yes, thank you. I'm creating a page new detection. Suppose I am creating a new detection name. Create new detection name employee. Let us add two names. Subscribe. Emp, you can write emp underscore aid. You can write email address. Next, give emp aid, emp email, emp name, emp city. Do it next. Continue. This is we have created a data extension. Next, it is our data extension. Next, check here. Next record. Vectin trio.3 3 3 5 3 1 3 1 3 3 1 and 3 3 1 3. Thank you. Now we want to Journey Builder. Next, we are going to start our first Journey Builder. There is 3 types of Journey Builder. Multi-step journey, single-step journey. The second is we go for multi-step. First, choose data extension. We can give a name. Next, here you can set end. This is a part, then you can. Now here, click here data extension. Select data extension. It is a source, that is it. It is a source is required. Go to data extension. Click here. This is our data extension. Employee. Good. Next, we need to select filter contacts too. Specific contacts should enter in the journey. Which contacts should enter in the journey? We have a filter. Next, done. Next, you need to click on schedule. It is the first option is showing a run once. Run the journey only one time. You are doing it on time. Journey runs an activation on time schedule. Can edit on activation at specific date and time. On activation or specific date and time, you can set schedule a time. Then next there is a mail. You can choose email. You can select message. There are many mails we have done. From that we can see that some sample mail, or you can create a fresh mail also. Journey will get practice. I am selecting email. Sample mail. We are not doing any changes. Next one day. Generally it is a minimum is a days. I don't know whether it will work on. We can done. Now it will activate. First it is validate. Here we have gone to theory. This is mandatory. Select a contact re-entry, no re-entry anytime. Re-entry all the operators. This is a better option. No entry it will be used. The record will be only one time. And then it will be not allow anytime, no re-entry. Re-entry anytime, re-entry only after exit. You can choose it only. And done. Click on done. We can validate. Prepare to take off. Click on activate. Great. Return to journey. It is working. This is complete. This is your first journey which is running. We need to check whether it is on performance. It is showing 0 entries now. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.